Here I am making steak bites. So first you pat it dry because I like mine dry and fresh. Now you're going to flip it over and then pat it dry again to get all the water out. So now I am gently and softly cutting it into pieces, and I'm taking my time. This was a big step to do, but it was worth it. You see how I'm taking my time cutting? Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. So now I am putting my steak in the bowl to get ready to season. Now I got that salt and pepper. Ooh, I love me some salt and pepper on my stuff. So now we're putting the butter in the pan. Ooh, look at that fresh hot smoke coming out of the pan. Now we are gently placing our steak bites into the pan. It's hard to choose when they're all so juicy and getting ready to cook. Wow, it looks so amazing. So now I'm putting butter on the steak so I can get that butter taste. So then you want to flip your steak bites around, and now I am cutting some sweet, fresh parsley. And we're making our steak sauce. And we're putting our parsley in. And we're mixing it around nice and softly. And now I'm squeezing the lemon to get that lemon flavor with that butter. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. Now we are done with the results. Put that sauce over and now we're done.